everyone. On this occasion, we will present our project entitled Web-Based Electronic Voting System for RT/RW Election. Next. Before we start the presentation, I would like to introduce our group member and their contribution. The first member is Rizky Septi Pratama. As the group leader, he is responsible for database handler use case diagram creation. The second member is Muhammad Farid Rahman, the responsible for back-end development and ER diagram creation. And the third member is myself, Nur Aini Siti Salehah. I'm responsible for UI UX designer, report writing, and material design. The fourth member is Remita Dwi Putri, and she is responsible for front-end development and use case characteristic result. And the last member is Sabri Andini. She is responsible for quality control. Next. In this slide, I will explain the software description of our application. The RT/RW online election application is a web-based application. This application is designed to support a transparent and efficient digital election process at RT/RW level. The application also presents election results in PDF format. It minimizes error caused by manual voting count in increased community participation. That is the explain for the slide 3. Next, the application feature will be explained by Remita. To Remita, the time is yours.
Okay, I will explain the application feature. First, we have the user login. The system provides a login feature for the user, resident, and committee. Then election schedule. Display information related to the implementation of election, include the name or description of the election period, start and date, start time and end time. Voter data contains voter information include national identification number or NIC, name, RT/RW address, password, voting status, voting time, and region. Then candidate data. Display candidate voters name, RT/RW, and vision and mission. Candidate voting. The system allows citizens to vote online for one candidate and ensure that each citizen can only vote once. And the last, professional vote recap, election result and report. The system displays real-time vote recap and provide election result report in PDF format, then can be printed by the committee.
Next, demo application to be explained by Shirley. To Shirley, the time is yours.
Okay, first we access to home page. Then we go to the resident login section. Enter the NIC, national ID number, and password provided by committee. You will then be directed to the change password page. When the password has been changed and saved, you will be directed to resident dashboard. On the resident dashboard, you can view the election schedule and data on the candidate you wish to vote for. With the candidate data, resident can review the vision and mission of the candidate before voting. Okay. Next, go to select candidate. To cast your vote, choose the candidate according to your respective region. After voting, a message saying you have already voted will be displayed. Okay. Resident can then view their voting history in the history section. Resident can also see the temporary recap or live result while the election is ongoing. Later, resident can view the final result of the election to see who has emerged of the winner. Okay, if you have finished voting and wish to exit, click Home. To return to the home page, then click Logout. Okay, thank you.
The testing result will be explained by Rizky. To Rizky, the time is yours.
Okay, testing results. Based on the test conducted, the online RT/RW election system operates in accordance with the design requirement. Okay, feature function properly without any significant errors. User login, election schedule, voter data, candidate voting, and professional vote recap, election result and reports. Next. The relevance of the product to the course. Pengantar rekayasa perangkat lunak RPL 101. The introduction to software engineering course is applied to model the system architecture and workflow using standard modeling language. This involves creating activity diagrams to define the step-by-step business process from administrator setup to voter participation, and use case diagram to clearly define the boundaries of the system and the specific interaction between actors.
Okay, the next experience will be delivered by Farid. To Farid, the time is yours.
Okay, the relevance of the product to the course. The algorithm and programming. The algorithm and programming course is applied to develop the core logic and backend process of the voting system. It involves implementing conditional logic to enforce voting rules, such as ensuring a citizen can only vote once and designing efficient algorithm for real-time data process. So the software requirement. The software requirement analysis and specification core is applied to define and document the system capability through functional and non-functional requirement by identifying the net of voter and election committee. Next. So the database. Database scope is applied in the design and management of the system database, such as table for voter, candidate, election schedule, and voting result. The last, the web-based programming. The web-based programming course is applied in the development of this system using programming language suitable for web application. It covers the creation of user interface. Thank you.
Okay, this is our group poster. The include the background system overview, future with screenshot, advance, and conclusion. That concludes our presentation. We would also like to inform you that one of our group member, Sally Andini, is unable to attend in person due to work commit. We would like to thank you for your attention. Good morning and thank you.